It used to be that auto insurance was very strictly regulated by the Commissioner of Insurance, and so it, it essentially did not matter to what company you went for auto insurance. The prices were pretty much across the board the same. And the prices would depend upon your years of experience driving. You know, if you were younger, prices were more expensive. It depended on where you were living, and it also depended on your driving history. If you had, good driver credits, it helped lower your insurance. But now Massachusetts is sort of a quasi-regulated state, so the insurance commissioner does not regulate it quite as much. So you can actually go out and shop different auto insurance carriers for different prices and different quotes. But what a lot of people resort to control the cost of insurance is they end up just trying to get away with minimal coverage for themselves. And that's natural. We're all trying to save money. But what results is you're not realizing you're underinsuring yourself, which will only lead to troubles in the future, the most critical times. Because by saving you generally think this: okay, well, I'm a safe driver, so the likelihood of me causing an accident to someone and then getting sued for that and having to pay out a big judgment, it's very small because I'm a safe driver. I've been driving for 30 years. I think I've been involved in one small accident back when I was 17. So I could go around thinking, I'm a safe driver, I'm just going to buy minimal coverage, save myself a few $100. Well, I can't think that way anymore because I have a family, because I own a business, I own real estate. So if I'm out there and I do cause an accident, I have plenty of coverage for having caused that accident. It doesn't matter how safe I am. If I just slip up one time, that's all it's going to cost me. But the flip side is, I'm driving around, I also have to realize I have all of those things. I have a job, I have a family, I have a business. So I need to be able to support those people. And I'm not going to be able to support those people if I'm not able to work, if I'm permanently injured and not able to work, or it affects me somehow, or if I have these mounting medical bills. So to combat that, I have to insure myself. I have to buy maximum coverage to insure myself too, because there's a lot of yahoos around here driving who just have minimal coverage. They've adopted that same kind of attitude I was just talking about. Well, I don't have anything, I don't own anything, I'm young, what do I have to lose if I cause an accident? And they're driving around with $20,000 in coverage. So if they cream me and I haven't insured myself properly, then I'm the one who's going to be in trouble. I'm going to be stuck with the measly $20,000 that this other driver had, because they're going to be judgment proof too. So my advice always, when you're shopping insurance, your compulsory package consists of property damage, PIP, uninsured coverage, and personal injury to others. Okay. So that's your compulsory package. That's all you have to buy if you want. But there's a lot of optional insurances available to you. There's 7 other types of insurance available to you. MedPay, that pays for your medical bills. It's an optional coverage if you want more coverage beyond PIP and the $8,000. You can buy MedPay. But in my opinion, the 3 most important ones to purchase the maximum benefits you can: personal injury to others, uninsured coverage, and underinsured coverage. The uninsured coverage, which again is part of your compulsory package, uninsured coverage covers you if you get hit by someone who's not insured. You can buy up to $250,000 per person, $500,000 per accident. Buy that, because again, if you get creamed and you're permanently disabled, and that other guy who hits you only has $20,000 in coverage, that's all you're going to get from that guy. So maximize your coverage, protect yourself and your family. The personal injury to others, it's called optional bodily injury to others. The optional bodily injury to others, max that out too. You're going to have to, if you want to max out the coverage to protect yourself, that is with the uninsured and the underinsured coverage, the Commonwealth requires you to to max out your protection of others too. So you're going to have to buy optional bodily injury at the same amounts or more. Finally, the underinsured coverage, that is the coverage number, I think, is number 12. That's critical that you have that, because that covers you when the other driver doesn't have enough insurance for your injuries. So if you have, so again, the other driver hits you, they only have a minimal amount of coverage, $20,000, and you get creamed, all you're going to get out of that person is $20,000. If you have not bought the maximum you can afford for underinsurance coverage, you're going to be stuck with that. At least if you've bought it, then you can turn to your own insurance company to get more to help you and your family survive.